that run marathon back and forth on your balcony?
I wouldn't mind it. If you're hunkered down long enough, you got to get active. You got to do what you got to
It
do.
works, right?
That's right. I want to show you a look from our action camera before it froze, or actually while it froze. It's really cool. It actually captured streaming lightning from the skies of those thunderstorms that moved through Pittsburgh just about an hour ago. So cool shot there, working on fixing the action camera. It is frozen now. 52 degrees with light rain showers. Winds are out of the east-southeast this morning at 8 miles per hour. We picked up almost a quarter of an inch of rainfall already as of midnight, and we will continue to see more rain on the way as we go through the morning and into the afternoon. First off, I want to show you a closer look at where we're seeing some of those thunderstorms out there. Most of it has just passed Pittsburgh, so we're going to get a bit of a break as of the moment here in Pittsburgh. But notice we do have quite a few thunderstorms out north here into Westmoreland as well as Indiana County. Out towards Blairsville, you're hearing a couple rumbles of thunder right now. That's the case until Latrobe. Also east of the city of Indiana into Brush Valley, you're hearing those rumbles of thunder this morning. As we go farther south, we're seeing some thunderstorms rolling through just into the higher elevations of Fayette County down to Preston and Garrett counties this morning. You can see the lightning that's just right over Kingwood into Mountain Lake Park. And we're also seeing a little bit of lightning up north of the city as well. Right now, some of that lightning just cleared the eastern portions of Armstrong County. Steady rain right now up north to Clarion County, Venango, as well as Butler County this morning. This is just the first of several rounds of rain and thunderstorms that will be moving through this weekend. We've got another round that will be moving in about mid to late morning, around 8 to 9 o'clock. You notice here's a look at Futurecast. Most of the thunderstorm activity should be about Pittsburgh on south, but we are still looking at more rain on the way today. Then we've got another line. This one's going to be a little bit more potent. This is the one we're keeping a very close eye on. It's going to be moving through Pittsburgh into Washington County, Butler, and Armstrong County right around, I would say, lunchtime, about 1 to about 2 o'clock. This line will then push farther south into places like Westmoreland County, up along the I-70 corridor around 3 to 4 o'clock. This is a line we're keeping a close eye on that could potentially bring in some isolated severe thunderstorms this afternoon. And then as we go into late this evening, another round of some scattered rain and thunderstorms, mostly Pittsburgh on north tonight around 10 to about midnight. And then as you wake up on Sunday morning, some light rain showers and can roll isolated thunderstorms before finally things start to simmer down for us around lunchtime tomorrow. Note the time here around 1 o'clock, we'll see an isolated rain shower or two, but most of the steady rain and thunderstorm activity should taper on off by lunchtime tomorrow. And even as we go into around 5 to 6 o'clock, we'll get a little bit of clearing Sunday afternoon to get in a little bit of sunshine. That will be very short-lived though, because we are looking at mostly cloudy skies and chance of some isolated showers returning for Monday. Your severe weather outlook for today, all the areas in the bright green, which is our entire viewing area essentially, are under risk for an isolated severe thunderstorm. Again, I think the timing will be mostly late this afternoon and with the potential of some heavy rain and strong gusty winds. Looking at the next 12 hours, mostly cloudy, rain and thunderstorms today. Heavy rain and gusty winds possible. It will be very warm. Looks as high as 70 degrees today. And then as we go into the late night, into the overnight hours, mostly cloudy, rain showers. Can't roll an isolated thunderstorm even tonight, with temperatures dropping down to around 60. So pretty mild night ahead. Looking at the next 4 days, storms that roll through our area. Right now, the worst of the storms are well off to our east. So we're getting a brief break from the rainfall as of this moment. But still, though, some areas dealing with some wet weather this morning and even a few lingering thunderstorms, and that includes up into Indiana County and into the ridges of Fayette and Westmoreland counties this morning. Right now, you're seeing that thunderstorm activity just east of Ligonier. We're also seeing that rain into Brush Valley, Black Lake, into Indiana as we start off the day. Farther south, though, still dealing with some thunderstorms, especially into Garrett and Preston counties, just south of Kingwood. You're dealing with quite a bit of thunder and lightning activity there. Down to Mountain Lake Park, we're seeing that rain and thunderstorm activity, and up north, we are seeing some rain. Not a whole lot of lightning with this, but we are seeing that steady rain up north into Venango County as well as Clarion County, Armstrong County, and also some steady rain into Lawrence County this morning. Take a look at the next 12 hours. We'll see another round of some light rain and isolated thunderstorm about 8 to 9 o'clock this morning, then a brief break late morning to around lunchtime. Then as we go into the afternoon, a stronger line of rain and thunderstorms will be moving in, and we could see some very heavy rain as well as gusty winds with that. Your high today, 70 degrees. Chris.